you know, we have got a campus in Pakistan now in Karachi, other than London and New York and California. Now we are offering the courses in CNC, machine learning and designing. CNC means computer numeric control machines. Many people may be knowing about it, maybe people have not heard about this very much before this, because in most of the universities and colleges in Pakistan, they are not teaching anything related to CNC. They are trying, but they are still way behind because the expertise required, they are not available in the market currently. So we have endeavored to design a course which is basically will be taught in the campus over in Karachi, and that is going to be learning a CNC machine, G codes. What is CNC machine and why it is important? Every component, everything needs a casing, and casings are mostly designed on plastics. So plastic mold making machine plastic molding is now getting very much into the hands of into the CNC, the use of CNC machines. Currently in Pakistan, the problem is this, that people, they go to get the dies and molds done, and they cost too much money and too much time. With a CNC machine, you can make a mold of any plastic item in 2 days. 1 to 2 days are enough. 1 day for designing, second day to get it completed on your CNC machine. What kind of CNC machines we have and what we are going to teach? We have CNC lathe, which can accurately design the parts, pins and all these things. Then we have CNC milling, which is basically going to mill cast or make a mold and make a holes and everything in this. Then we have got CNC copy milling, and then we have got EDM machines, and then we have wire cutter machines to cut accurately the metal, hard metals and all these things. So once you know all these things, you will be able to design a mold and start making money by selling different products in the market, and they are going to be very cheap because you have got the machine and you have the knowledge and you can do it. So this module, this full course is basically is of 4 modules, each module for 3 months. And then in what you will be learning, in the first module you will be learning and getting introduction to all the kind of CNC machines and how they operate, and there are different measuring tools, numerical and imperial, so and metric systems, and all these things you need to learn in first semester, where you are going to first module you will get the awareness of a machine, how a machine operates, how is it going to work. In second phase, we will be teaching you, in the second module we will be teaching you AutoCAD and CAD designing based on SketchUp and other softwares available. So then you will be learning basically how to design a part, and then in designing a part you will be able to actually design a mold using those technologies. In the third module you will be able to simulate that how a part which is designed on a CAD software is going to be transformed into a CNC machine, and how CNC machine is going to operate. At this point we will be teaching you G codes learning, that G codes, how the G codes operate, how they are being transmitted from your PC to your machine, and how they are going to work. This course will cover all CNC lathe, CNC milling, CNC routers and CNC laser cutters. This will cover all the designs of these things. So you will be knowing exactly the electronics of CNC machine, exactly the mechanical system of the CNC machine, exactly the measurement systems and the software to design a part on CNC. In the final year, which is going to be your final module, will be a project that is going to be done by yourself, and you have to design a part, you have to make a complete mold, and just take the result out of it by the molding machine that we will provide you. So in this course you are not required to bring anything. You just come, join, and then we will teach you how a CNC machine works, how to get design CAD softwares, how to simulate CAD softwares, and then complete production level based mold for plastic. So, and then at the end of this we will give you certificate of mastering in mold designing. This is something like and now the second thing is this, that once you have completed the project where you are going to have a job, you can work with us. We need a lot of parts. I'll give you the parts to design, and you have to design for us. You have to design job to job basis, and we will be buying from you, and we will be producing it in our factory. our lab is fully equipped with all kind of softwares, all kind of hardware, all kind of CNC machines, which will help you giving a very thorough practical knowledge.